Mag-arts po kami ni Kabuchi. Gagawa kami ng planets.
Ayan, ang kalat ng bahay namin dyan. Kitang-kita. Ano ba yan? Mabilisan lang nawala yung kalat. Ayan, tuloy na naman tayo sa paggupit. Ang hirap naggupitin. Ang tigas ng cartoon.
Kuha tayo ng pang-trace ng mga video. Ito ang Jupiter. Mamumulit lang kayo mga pang-trace. Nalaruan niya. Mga video. Jupiter. Wait naman. Side niya. Ito dito sa laruan. Ano to? Ang sunod sa Jupiter? Saturn. Lagyan natin ng S. Tapos, ito na lang gamitin. Ito ay Earth. Ay, may mga kurba-kurba pala siya. Mars na natin, Mars. Mars yan. Siyempre, mas malaki yun. Ayan na. Ano yan? Earth. Earth 2. Earth. Pares na natin yung Venus ha. Kasi yung halos kasi natin natin. Ito Venus. Yan. Oh, ito Mars. Earth. Venus. Mercury. Ano tayo ang Mercury? Recycle. Ito yung kandila. Oh, ito. Mercury. Ang galing ko na. Ilan na yan? Count mo. Ilan na yung planet? Dalawa na lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dalawa na lang. Medyo malaki. Ilan na natin? Ito. Ito ang Uranus and Neptune. Oo, diba?
Oh no! How big is the color window?
Ito pa yung bigay ni Ninang Jenny mo.
Tennis.
Yes, it's a pink. Teka lang.
Hey, let's go. Color window for baby.
Wow, may explanation pa pa.
Oh wow, it's there.
Oh. Ngayon, ikakat naman natin.
Nakita niyo yung bata na yan? Kunwari lang yan. Gina yan. Mag-paint ng mga planets niya. Yung kaya pinagtitripan ko na lang siya. Diba? Kumuha na ng brush.
Nakalimutan namin si San. Ito na lang. Yes. Kung sino pa yung bida sa lahat, no? Siya pa yung nakalimutan. Huwag ko tusukin.
Hindi na mapakali ang bata. Hala, sige. Ang kala mo, mabubuksan niya, oh. Sige pa. Ang cute, eh. Panoorin niyo na mabuti. Kung gaano siya kakulit. Hindi makaantay. Yan, guys. Unti na lang matatapos ng gupit-gupitin yan. Grabe ngalay ng kamay ko dyan pagkatapos. Ang tigas ng karton. Wala, sige, di mapakaling katabi ko.
Sun, Mercury, asan na yun? Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Neptune. Ay, naku.
I'm Jupiter with my 79 moon crew, like Io in S2003. Yeah, you can say I have a pretty large bird. Here's a storm twice the size of your mama Earth.
I'm in Saturn, check out my
Oh, yan.
my favorite things. I'm trying to make hydrogen and helium.
Magpipaint na tayo.
My name's Uranus.
Magpipaint naman kami. Nasabi ko
I was the first planet found with the telescope. I rotate backwards and now I side. I smell like rotten egg, but that's just the hydrogen sulfide.
Nakita niyo yung mukha? Daw, daw, daw.
I'm the wind, spinning around. There's some planets that's faster than the sun. And ice giant.
Ako, nang gagayahan dyan. Google tayo, mga siswa. So, ayan na nga. Na-drawingan ko na, nakahanap na ako. Tapos mamaya kami magpipaint. Ayan na, di siya mapakali. O, diba? O, ang likot o. O. Sige. O, may nasilip sa gilid. Sino yarn? Charot. Papa yon.
Magmamadali na mag-paint, anak. Teka lang.
Earth is the third planet from the sun. Living on it, isn't it fun? Land and water is what you find. Be sure to be kind each time it is mine. With a tilt, the earth goes around. The only planet where life is found. The only planet where life is found. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Living on it, isn't it fun? Land and water is what you find. Be sure to be kind each time it is mine. Wait until the earth goes around. The only planet where life is found.
Ito ba yun?
The only planet where life is found.
Ano meron sa podcast? Why do people like it? Ano ba naman kasi ando na lahat? Kung heartbroken, may nakahanap na comfort. Ay nako, di mauubusan ng source ng gas trip. Eh paano kung ang dami ko pa rin mga paano ko? Paano kung nasaktan ako? Paano kung may bago na siya? Paano kung pagod na ako? Paano kung, well... Kaya nga may
Palitan mo
podcast.
naman.
Ginawa ng isang overthinker para sa kapwa overthinker.
Sorry guys, sa Spotify kasi.
Parang ginagawa mo na.
Hindi nakaplan.
I am Joelle and I'm an overthinker. Search paano kong on Spotify.
Kinakausap ko yung mga fans namin. Charot.
Spotify Premium is the best way to upgrade your listening experience. Enjoy your music fully when you play songs in any order. Download them offline at higher quality and listen to them ad-free. It's what your ears deserve. Tap the banner to learn more.
Spin around the sun.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like a brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what
Ba't yan yung tugtog?
to cool. Baby, I ain't
Gusto namin pang bata.
look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like a brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what
The long game start. Up, 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 Kissy face, and teeth on, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you run me like I want you, baby. Don't you need me like I need you now. See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Paano yung ulo na? Sige, ganyan. Ay, pang-paint pala. Ganyan. Ito pa oh. Huwag ka malikot. Oh, yung sun muna. Ay, planets.
Now you know the game.
Paano yung ulo na?
Cause I'm coming to get you. Oh, boy, I'm on my way.
Oh, kunin yan. Oh, ito muna tayo. Mercury muna. Mercury! Oh, gray yan, gray. Wala pa, example. Ito na po. Pag-mix na. Oh, kuha ka dito rin, oh. Dali, paint mo na. Hindi yan.
truth, girl. I should've known that you were trying
Yeah, galing great.
so manipulating. Honestly,
Oh,
twice.
yeah. Ayan, prepaid na siya, oh. Oh, dali, finish na natin.
It's surprise, surprise. Whoa, a red surprise. Whoa, surprise, surprise, surprise. Whoa, an egg surprise. Whoa, let's crack it open. I wonder what is inside. It's a fire engine toy. A surprise, surprise. Whoa, a purple surprise. Whoa,
Oh,
surprise.
mahulog ka na.
An egg surprise.
Isa, Mercury.
I wonder what is inside. That's a police car. Surprise, surprise. Whoa, a pink surprise. Whoa, surprise, surprise, surprise. Whoa, an egg surprise. Whoa, let's crack it open. I wonder what is inside. It's an underwear skirt. It's surprise, surprise. A blue surprise. Surprise, surprise, surprise. That's surprise. Let's crack it open.
Ano yan?
Is inside.
Mercury.
We got 3 cute hats.
Mercury. Pasensya na guys, pangit yung Mercury namin. Lagyan natin ang onting din. Wait lang mama muna.
Oopsie daisy, oopsie daisy. My nappy is warm, warm and heady. Oopsie daisy, I need some help
Tubig,
right
tubig.
now. It's time for a nappy change to keep you nice and fresh, nice and fresh. Clean nappies is a key for a baby to be happy.
Ano yan? Bino.
Oopsie daisy, my nappy is warm, warm and smelly. Oopsie daisy, I need some help right now. It's time for a nappy change to keep you nice and fresh, nice and fresh. Clean nappies is a key for a
Ayan naman.
baby
Venus
to
yellow.
be happy.
Asan yung Mercury mo? Lagyan mo lang para mo tuyo.
Daisy, a little accident feels wet and funny. Oopsie baby, I need some help right
Ito,
now.
ito color mo.
It's time for a nappy change
Yan,
to keep you nice and fresh, nice and fresh. Clean nappies is a key
Dali
for
color
a
mo.
baby to be happy.
Dali, color mo.
Daisy, oopsie daisy, my nappy is so wet and I'm
Color
so
na color.
sleepy.
Orange lang.
Baby, I need some help right now.
Oh, huwag mo nang galawin si Mercury ah.
It's time for a nappy change to keep you nice and fresh, nice and fresh.
Nangalay ka na.
Clean
Ito natin.
nappies is a key for a baby to
Oo,
be happy.
Ito lang ito. Wala kaming lagayan. Ito na lang karton. Diba? Wala kaming lagayan ng paint. Nagpaparinig. Ang galing mag baby shark ko. Ano, lilinyahan naman natin.
Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do.
Ito, kulayan mo.
Shark do 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 do,
Oh,
mommy shark.
Neptune. Oh, hindi ko na yung Neptune. Oh, ito. Neptune. Oh, Neptune. Kulayan mo Neptune.
Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do, run away do 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 do, run away do 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 do, run away. Save that.
Ito, blue. Get blue.
Plastic do 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 do, save that plastic do 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 do, save that plastic. It's the end do 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 do, it's the end do 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 do, it's the end do 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 do, it's the end.
Yung color blue lang ha. Blue. Mamaya na yung green sa earth yan eh. Oh, ayan, green. Yan na muna blue oh. Blue oh. Dali, color mo muna yung blue. Finish mo muna, isa-isa lang. Dali.
Bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Doors on the bus go
Mamaya ako naman naglalaba. Mamaya na, blue lang, di ba? I told you blue. Oh, kalatin mo muna yung blue dyan.
Pwede po ito sa phone. At
Blue muna, blue. Hindi pa finish, oh. Dali, finish mo muna yung gilid, blue. Dali. Huwag mo nang galawin yung Mercury.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go where, 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 where. The babies on the bus go where, 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 all through the town.
The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus go shh, shh, shh.
Sige na, babugin mo muna. Ako na mag-aayos. Sige.
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you, I love you, I love you,
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you.
All through the town. The wheels on the bus
Ano na, mabuti.
round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Nahulog ka na, kalikutan mo, ano. Diyan ka lang. Pangit ng Venus natin. Ano planet yan?
Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears, and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears, and mouth and nose.
Blue.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and
Blue yan, hindi black.
That's too fast. Let's slow down. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes,
Ano to?
knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and
Venus!
knees and toes.
Venus! Binaboy na. Oh, Earth naman si Mama na.
Want to spice up your listening? Smart Shuffle can weave in song recommendations for your playlists when you join Spotify Premium, or start a jam, where you can invite your friends to create and add to shared playlists, all with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
Meron. Ito naman sa'yo, oh.
Ano bang meron sa
Kulayan.
podcast? Why do people like it? Paano ba naman kasi andun na lahat? Kung heartbroken, may nakahanap na comfort. Ay nako, di mauubusan ng source ng gas trip. Eh paano kung ang dami ko pa rin mga paano ko? Paano kung nasaktan ako? Paano kung may bago na siya? Paano kung pagod na ako? Paano kung, well... Kaya ano may paano kong podcast? Ginawa ng isang overthinker para sa kapwa.
Commercial po
Para
sa
laging kausap ang
Spotify.
sarili. Parang ginagawa mo ngayon? Medyo. I am Joelle and I'm an overthinker. Search paano kong on Spotify.
May commercial, eh. Baka ano na naman yung pinapatugtog mo, ah. Ilipat mo yan. Bawal sa bata, charot. Sing ka, sing. Ano color naman? You want yellow? Violet? Ayun o, purple man. Oh, purple. Purple.
Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Ang galing na. Ang galing kayo. Wow.
ABC. Next time, won't
Malapit na kami matapos mag-paint ng planet dyan. Ang ligalig ng batang Itechi. Wow, oh my gosh. Ayan na. Saturn na ang aking pinipaint dyan. Nabot na kami tanghali. Inabot na kami tanghali. Pero okay lang naman. Worth it naman ng fagod. Malapit na kami matapos dyan. Ito ang kinilabasan. O, diba? Bongga!